Hey children, good morning to all. How are you? I hope you all are enjoying. We have discussed the chapter earlier. Okay, we have completed one chapter as you know, and I have provided you some homework also. Okay, the first day I have provided you a home assignment. There are 4 questions in it. So let us discuss that homework. See, in the first question, what was there? Take some dry seeds and soak it in water for a day. Next day, pour all the water and wrap the seeds in a wet cloth and put it aside for 1 or 2 days and note it down your observation. So, I hope you have done this homework uh, and I want to know that what observation you have done. But you see, it's a very interesting activity. Okay, when you put the seeds in the water, what will happen? That seed soaks the water and swell up. Okay, after that, when you just put it in a and wrap it in a cloth and put it aside for a day or two, what will happen basically? It will germinate. Yes, it will germinate. The white structures will come out from the seeds, and that when that white structures come out of this seed, then we call them sprouts, and that sprouts are very nutritious. It is very healthy. Okay, so this is the first question. Second one, the make a list of all that you eat in a particular day. Write the ingredient and sources. Many of you have given me the answer personally. Okay, and it is very nice. What you have to do in that, you have to write that what you have taken in a day. For example, in breakfast you have taken the bread and milk. Okay, then you have to write the bread, milk, what are the ingredients of bread and from where that ingredients we get, means the sources of ingredients. Okay, the milk, what are the ingredients is milk and the source is what, the cow or buffalo. So this is all about. Okay, the third question is the why humans cannot make their own food. As you all know, the plants are called the autotrophs. Why they are called the autotrophs? Because they have a chlorophyll in it. Okay, and they go through the for this process of photosynthesis to prepare their food. But we do not have any chlorophyll. That's why we cannot prepare our own food. So we are not the autotrophs. We are heterotroph. Okay, heterotrophs are those who depend on other plants and animals for the food. So we are the heterotrophs. We cannot prepare our own food because we do not have the chlorophyll in it. Okay, the next question is what will happen if the photosynthesis stopped? But if the photosynthesis stopped, what would be the effect on our earth? You all know that photosynthesis, through the process of photosynthesis, the plants prepare their food. So obviously, when there will be no photosynthesis, the food will not be prepared. Okay, and you know, when the food has been prepared by the plants, they absorb the carbon dioxide. So if there will be no photosynthesis, the carbon dioxide will not be absorbed by the plants. So in the atmosphere, what will happen? The concentration of carbon dioxide will increase. And ultimately, when the carbon dioxide will increase in the concentration, it results in the global warming. And you all know what's the result of global warming. Okay, and we do not have any food because it will not prepare the food and all. So these all are the answers that we have discussed, and this is the answer of the home assignment 1. Now we move to the second home assignment of the 7th April 2020. The first question is define the following terms with one example and one special character. The first one is the herbivore. But a herbivore, I told you, herbivore means plant and bore means eater. Means those animals which eat only plant and plant products are known as herbivore. Okay, this is the definition. Okay, the animal which eat plant and plant products are called herbivore. Simple. Example, cow, buffalo, deer, camel. These all are the examples. Now we move to the special character. Okay, and you all know I have discussed it about the special character of the herbivore. I told you that they have a blunt teeth for pulling the plants and grass off the ground and grind them. Okay, so this is the one special character. I have discussed 2, 3, 4 special characters about the herbivore, but here you have to just put it up one. Next is the carnivore. Same, the carne means the meat, a flesh, and vor means eater. Mean those animals which eat the flesh and meat of the other animals are called the carnivore. Okay, they are the non-vegetarians. The example is lion, tiger, these all are the examples. Special character is what? Their teeth are very sharp and pointed. Their jaws are very strong as they have to tear the flesh and meat. Their claws are very pointed, very strong. So this is the one special character of carnivore. Next is the omnivore. If you will see omnivore, you know, omni means all, eater means vor means eater, omni means everything. Mean those animals which eat both plant and animals are called the omnivores. Example, crow, humans, dogs, these all are the omnivores. Special character, you know, a very important special character of the omnivore is that they have a different type of teeth. Yes, as you see in the humans, there are 4 kinds of teeth. Okay, the incisor, canine, premolars, and molars. Okay, so they have a different kinds of teeth. Now move to the scavengers. Scavengers, what are scavengers? I have told you that instead of hunting the live animal, some birds and animals eat the flesh of other animals that are already dead. Okay, these are called the scavengers. Mean they do not hunt, they only depend on the already dead flesh of the other animals. Example, vulture. Special character, they also have a very you can say pointed claws, pointed beaks, pointed teeth and all. Next is the decomposers. See, some of the organisms feed and destroy or decompose the dead plants and animals, and this process very slowly. These are called the decomposers. Just fungi, bacteria. Okay, have you seen the mushroom? That mushroom is a fungi. Yes. See, these fungi and bacteria are generally microorganisms. Micro means very small organisms, you know. So you can't see them with the naked eye. If you want to see them, you have to use the microscope. So these all are basically the microorganisms, the decomposers. They decompose the dead plants and animals. Okay. Next question is, what is a food chain? Yes, what is a food chain? I've told you that see, the food is essential for the survival of all the living things, and a food chain shows that how the plants, animals and human rely on each other for the food. Okay, and this chain is known as the food chain. I've told you, for example, a plant is eaten by caterpillar, caterpillar is eaten by frog, frog is eaten by snake, and a snake is eaten by eagle. So this is a chain, and animal get energy and nutrient by eating the other animal or the plants. Okay, so this is all about the food chain. Our next question is, what will happen if all the caterpillar or all the frog disappear from the earth due to some reason? Okay, what will happen if the caterpillar or frog will disappear? Definitely the snake, eagle, okay, and many other will get affected. This shows that when one part of a food chain undergoes a change, the complete chain gets affected and the number of plants will increase, okay, and the number of snakes, eagle will decrease. So these all are about the second home assignment, okay, which I have discussed it out. So we have basically discussed the 2 home assignments, okay. Now as we have completed the first chapter, okay, now we'll discuss about the exercises of the NCERT. First chapter, the food, okay, where does it come from? Now see, here the first question is, do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? क्वेश्चन में ये कह रहा है कि क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि जितने भी लिविंग बीइंग्स हैं क्या उनको सेम काइंड का फूड चाहिए? Obviously, as we have discussed, no. Every you can say that animal need a different type of food, the variety of food. As we have discussed it out, that on the basis of their feeding habits, the animal are of three types: herbivore, carnivore, and omnivores. So definitely the answer is no. Okay, no, that all living beings do not need the same kind of food, as their feeding habits are different, and on the basis of that they are of three types: herbivore, carnivore, and omnivores. Okay, now let's move to the second question. Name the 5 plants and their parts that we eat. Okay, what you have to do, you have to write down the 5 plants and their parts that we eat. So you know, we have discussed the plant sources of the food. Okay, in that what we have done, we have read about the stem, we have root, flower, leaves, seeds, fruits, vegetables. We all have discussed it out. So you have to write only 5. Okay, so you can write potato. Okay, the potato, the part is what? The underground stem. Second is banana, flower, the part is flower. Radish, tell me, radish is which part? Root, yes. Wheat, wheat are seeds. Okay, cabbage, leaf. So these all are the 5. You have to write only 5. So just write it down: potato, banana, radish, wheat, cabbage. Okay, the parts are stem, flower, root, seed, leaves respectively. So these all are about. Next, the third question is, match the items given in column A with that in column B. Here you can see the column A has been given. First one is the milk, curd, paneer and ghee. Can you tell me what are these? Yes, these all are the animal products. Yes, the milk, curd, paneer, ghee. Okay, if you remember, I told you these all are the dairy products. Yes, so these all are dairy products and we get from the animals. Okay, so these all are the animal products. So the first one will match with the fourth one. Second is spinach, cauliflower, carrot. These all are what? These all are the vegetables. Okay. Third one is the lion and tigers. Lion and tigers are eat the other animals. Yes, because they are the carnivores. Fourth one is the herbivores. Herbivores, you know, they are the plant eaters. They eat the plant and plant products. Okay, so this is about the match the following. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks with the word given. Very easy it is. Very easy. See, first one is the tiger is a carnivore. Yes, tiger is a carnivore. The answer is carnivore because it eats only the meat. B. Deer eats only plant product and so it is called herbivore. Yes, the answer is herbivore because you know deer is a vegetarian. It eats only the plants and plant products. C is parrot eats only plant products. Yes, because parrot is also a herbivore. D. The dash that we drink which comes from cows, buffaloes and goat in an animal product. What we eat? Yes, milk. It is very nutritious and very healthy for you children. So, in the fourth one, there will be milk. Fifth, we get sugar from sugar cane. Yes, and we eat the stem of the sugar cane. Okay, so this is the answer of the fifth one. So, children, we have discussed the whole chapter in detail. Okay, if you are having any doubts, any queries, just put it in a comment box or drop the message personally to me. Okay, and just revise this chapter thoroughly. Okay, and from tomorrow we'll start the new chapter. And before that, today I'll provide you one worksheet also. that we have to solve. Okay, तो तब तक के लिए टाटा, बाय बाय, टेक केयर.